What, Sackboy? What do you want? The mailman's here. I think Metal Gear 5 came. No way. Are you serious? Let's check it out. Running really fast. Let's look. Turn the light. Oh, this is it. Let's take it into the other room. It's a cardboard box. Yeah, look at that cardboard box. Oh, yeah. Alright. We got it, Sackboy. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, wait. I need scissors or some other sharp object. Be right back. Running really fast again. Metal Gear. I have some scissors. Yeah, to cut the cardboard box. Okay. We're ready now. Alright, Sackboy. Gotta do this one-handed. You're the best. Yeah, I know. Let's go. Cutting open the cardboard box. Check out the new gear. Metal Gear. Oh. Almost there. Snipped. Okay, here we go, guys. You ready, Sackboy? Maybe. Okay. Let's go. Whoa. Look at that. Foam bubblies. Another foam bubbly. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Check out the box on that. Wow. Collector's Edition Diamond Dogs. Alright, let's open it up. Let's get another snip. Hold on with me, YouTube. I don't have a head camera yet. Maybe over the next video. Got the plastic off, yeah. Oh, look at that Fox logo. Oh, Kojima went out of his way for this. There we go. Got all the plastic. Let's turn it around. That's everything we're going to be getting in there. It's actually been so long since I pre-ordered this, I can't remember what's in it. We're going to find out. You guys are going to get to see. Alright. Let's get this cardboard Metal Gear Solid Phantom Pain off there. Oh, lots of gooey stuff. Alright. Let's go with these. There we go again. Oh, look at that. I think that's a magnet. Oh, let's try to get it off. Oh, it's just a clip. Okay. Open it up. Whoa. Whoa! Metal Gear! It's Snake's arm. I live on in this arm! Oh, wow. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, new game smell. Wow. Here's the Blu-ray game. Oh, hold on, arm. Hold on, Snake. Here's the game. Been playing this on the digital copy. Couldn't wait for this to come in the mail. GameStop's too slow. But, okay, we got... What else do we got here? Steelbook, it looks like. I can get it out. Come on, Steelbook. We got this packed in there. I don't know how to get it out. Come on. Metal Gear. Metal Gear. Oh, the Steelbook is stuck in there. I'm going to shake it out. Hold on, YouTube. There's the Steelbook. Big Boss and Miller on their own. Big Boss and Ocelot on the back. That's sexy. Let's open it up. Oh, and the disc is in there too. Spoiler warning. Collector's this? Metal Gear Solid 5. Oh, I guess I can't use that until after I beat the game. Let's put that back. Let's check out the Posable plastic arm. Wow, look at this thing. It's a miniature statue. I'm going to put it right next to my PS4. Oh, and the fingers moving everything. Peace, yo. That's sweet. This is awesome. Alright guys, well I just wanted to open this to show you everything that came in it. You got the steel book, plastic arm, the sweet collector's casing with the Diamond Dogs logo. It's going to go great in my shelf. And we got, of course, the game, which I didn't really need because I already got the digital copy, but hell, it's Metal Gear. You got to go all out when these come out. And this might be the last one, so shit. Might as well buy 2 copies. Why not? But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And Hideo Kojima, thank you for making such an awesome game. I've been having a blast playing this. I'm taking my time with it, though, so you guys can expect the review in a couple weeks, maybe. If not next week. Hopefully by that time I'll be done with it, but like I said, I'm taking my time. It's so good. Go get it. Enjoy. Later, guys. Valet out.